Mr. A.V. Shekhar, Vice President, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning. Respected Dr. P. Mannar Jawahar, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Chief Guest on the occasion, all the master franchisees who have come here from different parts of the country, from all the states, the franchisees, the course instructors, the well-wishers of UCMA's family, UCMA's parents, and dear UCMA students. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this annual event, All India UCMA's Abacus Mental Arithmetic Competition, happening for the 11th time. This is 11th competition, and we have very great pleasure to welcome you all on this very eventful occasion.
Respected Dr. P. Mannar Jawahar, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Chief Guest on the occasion, Chris Stew, Executive Director, UCMA's International Headquarters, Malaysia, Mr. S.M. Hidayatullah, Member, All India Congress Committee. I am glad to state that 4,500 students are participating in different levels in today's competition, and there will be 8 batches, each of 576 students. I take this opportunity to thank all the franchisees, course setters, and those who are supporting this event. My best wishes to all the UCMA's students who have come to participate in the competition. UCMA's parents need to be acknowledged with a special mentioning, as they are the reason along with their children to make this event happen. Thank you very much.
Very good morning to our chief guest, Dr. P. Mannar Jawahar, the Vice Chancellor of Anna University. Just 2 days ago, I received a call from our partner in Austria. She says that, she tells us that there is a scientist from Germany, there's a group of scientists, who after witnessed our presentation in Austria, were very impressed, and they want to conduct a research on our children as well. And immediately from the Austria, Germany, and also Switzerland, we received many calls from some experts who wants to know more about UCMA's program.
Good morning to one and all present here. It's really a pleasurable and happy occasion to see so many young children who have come here to participate in this competition. At the outset, as a professor of English, when I was pondering over the literary connotation of the word abacus is found to date back to 1387 AD, when a Middle English work borrowed the word from Latin to describe a sandalwood abacus. The Latin word came from abacos, the Greek form of abax, meaning calculating table, and from Hebrew abak, meaning dust. So, I congratulate all the participants for this competition and wish you and the organizers the best.
Respected Chief Guest of this function, Dr. P. Mannar Jawahar, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Chairman of the UCMA's India, Mr. Bashir Ahmed, and other dignitaries and other participants from all over India. மேல்தட்டு மக்களுக்கு மட்டுமல்லாது அடித்தட்டு மக்களுக்கும் சேர வேண்டும் அப்படி சென்றால்தான் நாமும் சீனாவுக்கு இணையாக ஒரு முன்னேற்றத்தை காண முடியும். அந்த அடிப்படையிலே சகோதரர் பஷீரோடு நான் கூறியிருக்கின்றேன், இந்த கல்வி அரசு பள்ளிகளுக்கும் மாநகராட்சி பள்ளிகளுக்கும் செல்ல வேண்டும், அதற்கு நீங்கள் உதவ வேண்டும் என்று சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன்.
Respected Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Professor G. Manna Jawahar.
Respected and beloved Mr. S.M. Hidayatullah, Chairman, National Integration Council, and during the month of November, the global competition will be there. Those who are getting very good mark here, they will be sent to Malaysia to participate and that is world competition. My best wishes and congratulations to all the participants, not only prize winners but also all the participants and also teachers. Let me appreciate the efforts taken by them. With these few words, once again let me congratulate and appreciate the efforts taken by all the parents and teachers in improving the knowledge, skill, attitude and the habit. Finally, let us all study together well. Let us all work together well and let us all grow together well. In Tamil we can say, எல்லோரும் கற்போம், ஒன்றாக கற்போம், நன்றாக கற்போம், எல்லோரும் உழைப்போம், ஒன்றாக உழைப்போம், நன்றாக உழைப்போம், எல்லோரும் உயர்வோம், ஒன்றாக உயர்வோம், நன்றாக உயர்வோம்.
I have immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to each and every one of you this morning who have assembled here to witness the honoring ceremony of the winners of yesterday's competition.
I welcome all the master franchisees who are here. Some are not able to come, but many have come. I welcome once again. I welcome the course instructors, franchisees, parents, of this function, I once again welcome all of you. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Dr. S. Selladurai, Director, Anna University. Mr. S. M. Nabi, Managing Director, Android Tech Engineering U Private Limited, Chief Guest of the occasion. Mr. Chirish Steve, Executive Director, UCMAS International Headquarters, Malaysia, State Masters franchisees, course instructors, UCMAS parents, and dear UCMAS students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the prize distribution ceremony for 11th All India UCMAS Abacus Mental Arithmetic Competition 2011. As you all know, we had 4,518 UCMAS students who participated in different levels. The whole day's event yesterday culminated in the result, and we have the felicitation ceremony now. There were totally 10 groups, KG level 1 to 8, and grand level. In each level, we have champions and runner-up 1 to 7, apart from the consolation prizes. Champions and runners-up prizes will be presented on the stage today, with the champions of champions also to be announced. The students are eagerly waiting for the prizes. The result to be announced would give the position where you stand. Best wishes to all of you.
Good morning. Good morning to each one of you, the dignitaries on the dais, and the parents and the children who have participated in this UCMAS competition. And participating in this program, it's a great success. I really appreciate you, the pain you have taken to bring all those people and making that such a wonderful atmosphere here. Thank you. Thank you one and all, and thanks for the organization to give me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all. Say good morning. Say good morning. Morning. So respected Chairman and Managing Director of UCMAS Network India, respected Cherish Chu, Executive Director UCMAS Malaysia, respected friend Abdul Kader, Managing Director Golden Star Properties, friend Dr. Nabi, and other UCMAS staff members, my dear children and parents. I congratulate all the children winner of today competition programs, and blessing all the children. Thank you.
Congratulations. What's your name?
Shikhan Mundara.
From which place you have come?
Byawar, Rajasthan.
Okay, for which level you got the prize?
C1.
C1. Okay, how do you feel after getting the prize? What do you think about UCMAS?
It is a nice place.
Okay, then that's all?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, on behalf of UCMAS, I congratulate you once again. Okay, thank you.
It is great. UC Maths is really very great, and I'm very proud of my son.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give them